Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you box number 12 of the Darn Good Yarn Monthly Club. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, thank you so much for joining me for this look at the Darn Good Yarn box number 12. If you like all things yarn or crochet, then go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. So let's take a look and see what's inside box number 12. That means I've been getting these boxes for 1 year. 1 year! So I am excited to show you what's inside this box. This is a pretty like beachy kind of, you know, like you think of water. This particular skein, the colors in this. First things first, let's take a look at this yarn. This month's yarn is a silk roving worsted weight yarn, and the colorway is called Mermaid at Sea. It is 75 yards or 50 grams, and the weight of this yarn, it is a medium weight. They do recommend a 6.5 millimeter hook or a 5.5 millimeter knitting needle. Now the MSRP on this yarn is $14.99 US dollars. So that's the value of this skein of yarn. As I've mentioned before, you become a member of the Darn Good Yarn box for the high-end yarn, kind of not really samples, it's a little bit more than a sample, but the high-end yarn that you get to experiment with. Alright, and then the patterns that come in the booklet for this particular yarn. So the knit pattern, it's for a headband. It's a knit headband. So that is the knit headband pattern. And this is considered an easy level pattern. You need 1 cake of this, of course, and 6.5 millimeter knitting needles, and tapestry needle and scissors, which are not included, of course, with the box. And then the crochet pattern is also a headband right here, and the skill level is basic for this, and you need a 5 millimeter crochet hook to complete this particular pattern. So those are the 2 patterns that come with this yarn in box. Okay. Now the extras that you get 2 extras, because this is the box number 12. So you get this super duper cute rainbow sheep enamel pen here. That is so cute. And that is just a little pin right there you can put on your yarn bag. So that is included with this box. And then finally in this kind of, I don't think it's burlap, I'm sure it's something else, but it feels a little not burlappy, I don't know, just like a rough cotton. But anyway, this little bag here, you get this bracelet. Now this is a diffuser bracelet. Let me see, it's called, now this is called the Sea Glass Diffuser Bracelet. And the reason why they call it a diffuser are these beads right here are very porous. So what you can do is you can use these essential oils and put them onto the beads so that it soaks in the oils. Now the way that I do it is I have actually a different one here. And this one they sell separately, which I will link down below to this particular one if you like it. But you put the oil straight onto these porous beads. Now I do this over a napkin, and then I only do it on a couple of them because it's pretty strong, because I use this straight. I don't dilute this. And because I don't dilute the essential oils, what I do is I wait for it to soak in, and then I tap it a little bit with the napkin before I actually put it on my wrist, so that it's not direct contact with my skin. It gets soaked in a little bit better than that. So that's how I use it. But I'll link to this particular one down below if you like this one. I think they sell them for $15 a piece. Or if you are getting the monthly box, then as of right now, it looks like it is an add-on for $5. So just a heads up, I just want to let you know that is how I use my diffuser bracelet. And I love to use the peppermint. My favorite scent to use during the day, I use the eucalyptus and peppermint, and that's just for energy and stuff like that. So that is all the stuff that's included with this month's box. Isn't that cute? Super cute stuff here. Let me go ahead and take this out of the bag so you can see it separately. Super duper cute box. I love this box. I really like what was included in this box, but as you guys know, I do get 2 of these boxes each month. So I am going to be giving away this particular box. While I like the extras in this, I wasn't as big a fan with the yarn, so I wanted to go ahead and just give away the whole box since I also already have my other diffuser bracelet. So how do you enter? Well, what I would like to know is, what is your favorite type of yarn, like a fiber? What's your favorite fiber? Is it acrylic? Is it wool? Is it silk? Is it cotton? What is your favorite yarn fiber that you like to use? Go ahead and answer that in the questions down below. And also, while you're down there, take a look at the description and take a look at the rules of this particular giveaway. I do ask that you be a subscriber to enter this giveaway, as all of my giveaways are subscriber appreciation. Also, winners cannot be in a country that prohibits anything from the U.S. And I will, if you're international winner, likely I will be sending you a gift card equivalent to the value of this particular box instead of the actual box itself. So international folks, you can enter if you would like. So go ahead and comment down below. While you're down there, go ahead and smash that like button for me, please. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.